What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. On today's episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're basically going to do a bit of a walk and talk. I want to start coming out with some more daily vlogs where I'm just kind of giving you guys updates on all the projects that we got going on, maybe new parts that show up or come in. I just kind of want to walk around with the camera, talk to you guys, and do more of like a real kind of vlog where I'm kind of just talking to you guys directly and kind of showing you what's on the go, kind of more behind the scenes type stuff. We are still gonna do the highly edited kind of stuff with music and whatnot, or build specific content. But I think for today, I just wanna walk and talk, give you guys some updates on all the projects that we got going on here in the Mad Lab. And yeah, I kind of wanna get a gauge on what you guys like seeing on the channel, and what you guys want to see more of on the channel, and what projects maybe you don't really care for. Building all these cars is a lot of work, so to make a video and build something that you guys aren't interested in seeing is not kind of what I want to spend my time on. But at the same time, I love creating the ideas that are in my head, so if they don't fly with you guys, that's still okay. I'm still going to build those ideas, because all the ideas I got up here, I eventually want to bring to fruition. So with all that being said, let's walk and talk. So I basically want to do some more walking, talking videos where I'm just doing it vlog style, talking with you guys, because I really want to know what you guys are into on this channel. Whether it's the Fiero kit cars, whether it's the Plymouth Cudas or muscle cars that I'm working on, or the Harleys, the dirt bikes, because we got lots of them. And yeah, I just really want you guys to start leaving more comments down below. Let me know what you're enjoying seeing on the channel. And it's really cool to almost get to 5,000 subscribers. This whole YouTube journey has been a riot, man. I've having a blast for the past like 3-4 years now, just doing these builds, recording the content, editing the videos, and posting them for you guys to see. It's really nice for me to have all those kind of, how can you call it? All those builds that I've had, or cars that I've had, or moments that I've had building these cars captured on video and there forever. It's really awesome. And you know, I do have a goal of growing my YouTube channel and becoming fairly large, where I can do this full time, where I can come to the Mad Lab and build the most creative custom cars that are out there. And to do that, I just need to keep posting content, making really good content for you guys. And I think doing these little vlogs might be kind of some good filler content for you guys, and then we'll still do the high production stuff. But yeah, let's start walking around the shop here and see what we got going on. So behind me right here is a 1986 Pontiac Fiero GT. It's automatic, and we are building this into a Ferrari 355 replica for my dad. I've had this car for about, I would say, almost 20 years now. I started this car when I was 19 years old. I've shipped this car across Canada from Ontario to BC, and then from BC back here twice. So that's like 10 grand in shipping costs. That's a lot of money. So we have to jump onto this car and get it done, because I want to surprise my dad with it. And I think it's a really cool car, and it's about time we jump on it, because I finished a lot of cars and other projects in the meantime, but it's about time we jump onto this one and get this one done. I will give you guys a full kind of build video on this car. I'll give you a full breakdown on the engine, the body kit, where it came from, the work that we've done to date, and what work we have left to do on it. You know, the interior is pretty, you know, ragged, but this is, you know, replica Ferrari 355 dash. That's some of the first carbon fiber work I ever done on that console there. These are real Ferrari seats of a Ferrari 348. There's some really cool stuff on this car, but we will do a full breakdown on it. Over on this section here in the Mad Lab, we got some of my brother's projects. He's got some cool e-bikes going on here, and some cafe racers, and some lowriders. He's pretty artistic, and his artwork is pretty wild, and he's creative just like me, so it's really cool that we get to share this space and just get creative in it and have fun and bring our ideas out into fruition. Even his son Riker is getting into it. Here's some of his paint jobs his son Rad Riker is doing on his helmets. He's got his custom painted remote control cars. So yeah, even his son has got bit by the creative bug. It's gonna be cool to see what he does in the future. And then behind me here, we got a couple other projects. We got Harley Davidson Dyna. We got a KLR 650 that we're converting into kind of like a retro Kawasaki KX, but in a dual sport, super sport, 4-stroke version of it. So this, we're gonna call this one here the KX 650, and I got some wild retro seat covers and graphics for it, just like my jacket. If you are wondering why I'm wearing this ridiculous jacket and bright hat, it's because I friggin' love retro colors and stuff from the 90s, and this was my dream jacket when I was a kid, so to find this in a thrift store and it fits me, I'm gonna rock it. I love the neon colors, I'm all about bright colors, and if you follow the channel, you've definitely seen that in our builds, we like to throw in those neon colors or splatters and just get really creative with it and make it look kind of 90s. So yeah, we got the KLR, then we got the Harley Davidson Dyna that I was converting into a stunt bike. We got some risers and a bunch of cool stuff on there. We do have a video on this bike on the channel, more of an in-depth review of the bike, so go check that out. But yeah, this is for sale. If it doesn't sell, we will be doing more to it, like a custom seat next, because I just picked up this Juki industrial sewing machine, and I've been learning to sew and been just doing some test stuff down there. But that'll be fun because I don't feel like spending $800–900 on a Saddlemen seat. I'm just gonna shape the seat that's on here and sew the cover myself for free. The other reason I'm wearing this jacket is because it is October here in Canada and it's getting pretty cold outside. Let's go ahead, open up the garage door, and we'll see what other projects are outside. Don't hate me for what you might see over here, guys, but check this out. So last night I was just walking around doing some rearranging here on the property, and I had the Cuda front end off the Cuda El Camino that we're building, and I didn't know where to store it. You know, there's a lot of space around here, but I really don't want to leave this outside in the snow all winter long. So I was looking for somewhere to store it, and then I looked up at the Subaru, and then I looked back down at the Cuda front end, looked back at the Subaru, and I was like, what if I mount the Cuda front end onto the Subaru? I know what you guys are thinking. What the hell are you doing, Mike? Putting a Cuda front end onto your Subaru WRX. I don't really know what I'm thinking. I'm just thinking what I normally think, which is crazy creative. And leave a comment below if you guys think I should actually do this. If I should graft this front end onto the Subaru and call it the Cuda-roo. Sounds kind of good. But basically this is a 70 Cuda front end. It's all fiberglass. I do have the lower pieces. It would have to be cut just kind of in the wheel arch area and in the hood to kind of suck everything back to make it look proportionate, proportional, whatever the right word is for that. But yeah, leave a comment below if you guys think I should actually go ahead and do this, because I don't know. I think it's kind of cool looking. I could get the wheel arch to match up back here, cut around here for the windshield, suck the whole front end back, and get the hood scoop to poke through and actually mount the Subaru WRX hood scoop, STI hood scoop, onto the front of the Cuda-roo, the Cuda-roo. But yeah, so we got this car here on the channel, just getting creative with it, having some fun. We're gonna do a wild paint job on this before winter. I just gotta get safety first. We do have the STI wing, the 3-inch turbo back exhaust, some nice rims on there. It does have rust, but I don't care. We're gonna drive this car and just have some fun with it. And then just getting ready for winter here, starting to put kind of everything away and get organized. But the Cuda is gonna go into storage, but I do want to do a paint job to it first. So over here we have the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda that we are turning into AAR tribute car. So we got the AAR hood scoop on there, been doing a lot of work to it, got the full interior just kind of sitting in there, mock up right now. We still got a long way to go on this project, guys. We got to fix quarter panels, we got to fix frame rails, we got to mount the 440 big block, we got to fix the firewalls, build inner wheel wells. So there's a lot to do on this car, but this is my dream car. And I'm gonna be holding on this car forever, never selling it, never letting it go. So I got a lot of time ahead of me to finish it, but I do want to finish it soon. We might end up just throwing down like a Rust-Oleum rattle can spray paint job on this car just to get creative with it and we might do a quick paint job, throw some AAR strobe stripes down the side, maybe do it white or black. Leave a comment below if you guys want to see me do a quick paint job to this car just to make it all one color with the satin black hood. Get everything to one color and see how it looks. I don't know, I kind of feel like doing it. It cost me like 40 bucks maybe to get all the spray cans. Rust-Oleum has this new like turbo spray. I don't know if we can get it here in Canada. It's like the size of 2 spray cans and the fan spray is like 10 inches wide. So I think that'd be kind of fun to do a video on the Cuda spraying this with that Rust-Oleum turbo spray cans. And yeah, that's what's in there. So you've seen a couple of projects here at the Mad Lab. We do have the El Camino tucked away and another storage unit. And yeah, that was kind of a quick walk and talk. I know I'm chit-chatting a lot, but leave a comment below if there's something specific you guys want to see on the channel, a project update, some creative ideas that you guys might have that you want to see me do, or let me know what project you think I should be working on next. Either way, I just want to communicate with you guys, post more content, get more videos out to you guys, and kind of keep growing this channel because I'm loving it. It's a lot of work, but if I'm going to be successful at it, I got to keep going. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. A ciao, ciao.